Good morning, class 3rd students. Hope you are well at your home. In science class, today we will discuss some topics of parts of a plant and we will understand the stem. So students, in the starting of the chapter, there is a diagram, parts of a balsam plant. In that diagram, we have studied shoot, bud, flower, branch, fruit, leaf, stem and the root. So students, as we have already discussed that our body is made up of different parts and the plant body too have different plants. So if we discuss shoot and root, so the part of a plant which grows above the ground is shoot and the part which grows below the ground is the root. And the root are of two types, tap root and fibrous root. When a root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from that main root, it is tap root. And when a number of roots grow from the end of the stem, which is called fibrous root. And students, we have already discussed functions of the root, that the plant cannot remain fixed in the soil without roots. Without roots, a plant will be able to make in neither water nor salts from the soil. It will die. So, the stem. The stem grows above the ground. I repeat, the stem grows above the ground, as you can see in page number 48. To hold the plant upright and support its branches is the main function of the stem. There is something needed to the plant to upright and support its branches, and that part is known as stem, which helps the plant. Which function of the stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. You can see in diagram 6.5. Here the stem of the neem and coconut trees are hard, strong and woody. You can see in your book at page number 48. There is a stem which is known as trunk. What it do? The stem of neem and coconut trees are hard, strong and woody. So what they do, they keep the trees upright, which is known as trunk. The stem of the money plant is soft, green and weak. It needs support to stay upright. The stem also carries water to the leaves. Students, there are some plants which are soft, green and weak. They need some support. They need some support to stay upright. So the stem carries water to the leaves. The water taken in by the roots travels through the stem to the leaves. Similarly, what happens? The stem carries the food made by the leaves to different parts of the plant. Okay, now some extra food is stored in the stem. In the plants like sugarcane, okay, and in plants like potato and ginger, the stem grows underground and stores extra food. That is why we eat the stem of sugarcane, potato and ginger. Okay, this was all about till the stem. There are more topics like the leaf and the flower, fruits and seed that we will discuss in our next class. Thank you.